Today we are doing 7.3 exercise. Sum number first. First part, first sum. A 2 3. B let A 2 3. B is -1 0. C is 2 -4. Find the area of triangle. We have formula. Firstly we write 2 3. After that write -1 0. After that 2 -4. After that we write this first term again 2 3. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into firstly this type multiply 1 2 3. 2 multiply with 0 0. 1 multiply 1 4 plus 4 minus plus 1 into 4 4 plus 2 into 3 6. After that use minus sign. After that bracket. Now this side -3 2 0 0 2 4 -8 1 by 2 into 4 or 6 10. 4 plus 6 10 minus -8 -3 -11 in bracket 1 by 2 into 10 plus 11 1 by 2 into 21. It means 21 into 1 21 2 21 upon 2. It means 10 and a half. 10 and a half square unit, because area of triangle every time in unit square unit. Square unit. It is our answer of first sum. Now we are doing second sum. If points are collinear, find the value of k. If points are collinear, find the value of k. Sum number second. First part we have 7 minus 2. Second 5 1. Third one 3k. If points are collinear, then area of triangle is 0. Like as if point 1, 2, 3, that is triangle. If that point is on the line, then 3 points on the line. This is like as a triangle, but area of this triangle is 0. Because points are collinear. Because points are collinear, so area of triangle is equal to 0. 1 by 2 into. Firstly we write 7 minus 2 5 1 3 k. First we write again 7 minus 2. Now first this multiply this side. 1 by 2 into 7 1 7 5 1 k 5k. 3 into -2 -6. After the minus bracket start. 5 2 -10. 5 2 -10. 3 1 3 7k is equal to 0. 7 minus 6 1 plus 5k minus -10 plus 3 -7 plus 7k. 2 multiply with 0, cross multiply 0. Now 1 plus 5k minus change the sign plus 7 minus 7k equal to 0. Now 7 1 8. 5 minus 7k minus 2k is equal to 0. Minus 2k, 8 move this side, minus 8 k equal to -8 upon -2 cross 4. Value of k is 4. If points are collinear, then value of k is 4. Now sum number 3. Sum number 3. In third sum, one triangle is given A, B, C. We write name A, B, C. First point is 0, -1. Second point is 2, 1. Third point is 0, 3. Third point is 0, 3. Find the ratio of area of given triangle. Firstly, we find the area of this triangle. Firstly, find the area of this triangle. 1/2 area of triangle ABC. 1/2 into 0 minus 1, 2 1, 0 3. This side again 0 minus 1. This side multiply 0 into 1 0. 2 into 3 6. 0 into 1 0. Minus -2 0 0. 1/2 into 6 minus plus 2. 1/2 into 8. Move this side cross 4. Area of ABC. Area of ABC 4 square unit. Area of ABC 4 square unit. After that, we find the midpoint of all the sides. This one D. D midpoint of AB is equal to first one plus second one 0 plus 2 upon 2. Do the formula, midpoint formula. -1 plus 1 by 2. 2 by 2, 0 upon 2, 1 and 0. Value of D is 1 and 0. After that, E, midpoint of BC. E, midpoint of BC. E, midpoint of BC is equal to 2 plus 3, 0. 2 plus 0 by 2, comma 1 plus 3 by 2. After that,
No, she have doubt.
after the class. Whether if anybody have doubt, then call me after the class. E midpoint of now 2 plus 0 by 2, 2 by 2, 4 by 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Now F, that is 1 and 2. F, midpoint of AC. F, midpoint of AC is equal to 0 plus 0 by 2, comma minus 1 plus 3 by 2. 0 by 2, 2 by 2, 0, 1. That is 0, 1. Now join the sides D, E, F. Now find the area of DEF. Find the area of triangle DEF. area triangle DEF, one upon 2 into 1 0, second one 1 2, third one 0 1, fourth one again 1 0. This one, this side multiply 2 plus 1 plus 0 minus 0 0 1 by 2 into 3 minus 1 by 2 into 2 cross 1. Area of this one 1 square unit, 1 square unit. Now find the ratio of area of triangle. Ratio area triangle DEF by area triangle ABC equal to area of triangle DEF 1, area of triangle ABC 4. At the starting we get 1 by 4. So ratio of area of DEF and area ABC equal to 1 ratio 4. Now next sum number 4, area of quadrilateral. Firstly -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2 3. Right? A is -4 -2, B is -3 -5, C is 3 -2, D is 2 3. Area of quadrilateral. These are four sides. We write if area of triangle, then also write again. If quadrilateral, then also this side again. We write again -4 -2. Area quadrilateral A B C D is equal to 1 upon 2 into, firstly this multiply 20 plus 6 plus 9 minus 4 minus in bracket 6 positive 6 minus 15 minus 4 minus 12 close the bracket 1 upon 2 into 26 35 minus 4 minus 6 minus 15 20 19 31 minus 31. Now 1 by 2 35 minus 4 31 minus 6 minus plus 31 62 1 upon 2 62 minus 6 1 upon 2 56 cross this 28. Area of quadrilateral 28 square unit. Area of quadrilateral 28 square unit. Now next sum number 5. We have a triangle ABC. ABC. A 4 minus 6. B is 3 minus 2. C is 5 2. C is a 5 2. Now you have a triangle A median, divide the triangle in two equal area triangle. Verify with this formula. Now we find the midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC equal to this one plus this one. First one by 2. 3 plus 5 by 2, comma -2 + 2 by 2, 8 by 2, 0 by 2, 4 0, 4 0, that is 4 0. Now join AD. Now join AD. After joining AD, we have two triangles ABD and ADC. Firstly, we find the area ABD. Area triangle ABD 1 by 2 into, firstly we write 4 minus 6, second 3 minus 2, 4 0. After that, this side again 4 minus 6. Now 4 into 2 minus 8, 0, 4 into 6 minus 24, minus 18, minus 8, 4 into 0 plus 0, 1 by 2 minus 32 minus 26, 1 by 2 minus 32 plus 26, 1 by 2 into minus 6, cross this minus 3. But the area of triangle can't be negative. Area of triangle can't be negative. So we write area positive. Because area every time positive, so we write 3 numerically. Numerically, this answer is positive. Area of this triangle is 3. Now we find the area of next triangle. No need. We find the area of next triangle, that is a triangle ADC. Area ADC. In triangle ADC, we have three sides, 4 minus 6. Next one 4 0. Next one 5 2. This one again 4 minus 6. Area triangle ADC is equal to 1 by 2 into, firstly 4 0 0, 4 2 8, 5 6 minus 30 minus 24 0 8, 4 2 8, 1 by 2 into 8 minus 30 minus 22 minus 24 minus 8 minus 16, 1 upon 2 into minus 22 minus plus 16, 1 upon 2 into minus 6, cut them minus 3 or 3 numerically. Write this 1, write this equation 2. From 1 and 2, area of first triangle is 1, 3, area of first triangle is also 3 and second is also 3. From 1 and 2, area triangle ABD is equal to area triangle ABC. Now we find median of triangle, divide the triangle into equal area triangles. Now our chapter is complete. 7.4 push करो.